I am appealing to you, Mr. President. Huwag ninyo isara yung utak ninyo para...
Armored vehicles ang nakapasok sa krot.
Ang mapayapa sanang umaga ng mga residente.
I am appealing to you, Mr. President. Huwag ninyo isara yung utak ninyo para mahuli lang si Pastor Kibuloy. You are willing to sacrifice everything.
We won't stop until we arrest Paulo Kibuloy, sir. Stay away. There's only one person who can end this all. The Son of God.
Before we suspend this hearing, I would like to get the commitment of the PNP. Ano ba talaga? Are you willing to sacrifice the future of the children ng mga estudyante? Hindi sila makapag-aral dahil sa continued presence niyo dyan sa area?
Sir, we are not preventing them.
Ha?
We are not preventing them to continue with their
Yeah,
Daily
you're not preventing them, but kung ako ang estudyante, hindi ako papasok dyan na ganyan kadaming pulis. Hindi ako papasok dyan. Ako teacher, hindi ako komportable na kaklase dyan kung ganyan kadaming pulis sa loob.
I think more than me, sir. There's one person that we can ask to end all of this, sir. And I think we know who he is. Because
Kaya nga, your quest for the arrest of Pastor Kibuloy would mean sacrificing everything. Yung mga bata na nag-aaral, yung mga tao na nakatira dyan, ganun ba? So you will continue to stay. Hindi ba pwedeng bigyan nyo muna ng relief yung mga tao dyan to back to their normal lives? Tapos kung meron na naman kayong positive info, go ahead. Go ahead. You arrest Pastor Kibuloy kung nandyan siya sa loob. Alam mo, like, the way I see it right now, however you defend your position, you are at the losing end. Nakikita ko. And I think, I am suggesting to you, kung talagang after 13 days of occupation of that compound, still, hindi nyo na-aresto si Pastor Kibuloy, I think, it's high time for you to make a tactical retreat. For the meantime, huwag mong gawin na rason na pasubo na kami dito, tuloy-tuluyan na namin ito, sir, dahil napasubo na kami. You're not saying that, but ako, pakiramdam ko, yan ang nangyari ngayon. Napasubo na kayo dyan kahit hindi nyo nakikita. Si Pastor Kibuloy, tuluyan na lang ninyo. Ayaw na nyo umalis. Alam mo, babalik sa normal yung buhay ng mga taga QJC. Pag umalis kayo dyan, pati yung mga pulis natin, babalik rin sa normal yung buhay nila. And we are not preventing you from striking back. Kung meron kayong mabigat na informasyon na nandyan talaga si Pastor, pasukin nyo, arestuhin nyo. Pero continuously staying there is detrimental to both of the parties, QJC at saka kayo, police. Detrimental to both sides yan. I am appealing to you in the name of humanity. Please be human enough to consider all these things.